It's another wet Friday out there. Good morning. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. This is a view here in Ocean City. I noticed a little bit of water here on the webcam. It has been raining since the early morning hours here, and we do have a flood watch in effect through tonight as the rain continues. The only exception, down in Cape May County, you'll notice that white right over there where my finger is. We're looking for roadway flooding issues and river flooding, not ruled out. I think more likely than not we'll be fine on that aspect. But we are anticipating another round of steady and heavy rain today. Here is our future radar. 9 a.m. It's really coming down pretty good everywhere. Should get over a half inch in South Jersey by the time we get towards noon, when it starts to break up a little bit. However, it's still going to be raining pretty good in spots. Then as we go deeper to the afternoon, we're watching for this line here. That is a strong line of rain and could even be thunderstorms. It's going to pass right during the evening commute, roll off the coast by about 6 p.m. and then by 9 o'clock we are drying out. We should end between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. everywhere. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches is likely, and that will continue to bolster our what has been a record-breaking year for wet weather. In terms of threats here, again, we have that flood watch in effect. Isolated areas of roadway flooding is expected, not ruled out with river flooding. Thunderstorms are not ruled out, but if we do see a thunderstorm, 60 to 80 mile an hour winds are going to be the case in those thunderstorms, and here is why. These are winds at about 5,000 feet above our heads. It's a good gauge for letting us know what the top wind gusts will be. Where you're seeing these yellows, those are numbers in the 70 mile an hour range. Watch what happens as I put this loop in motion throughout the day. Those yellows come right through, and as we get towards later in the day, they eventually go away. But notice those yellows here for the first half of that loop. That takes us into about the early afternoon. For this morning, we'll have temperatures that very, very slowly rise through the 50s. It's a mild day. We're going to end up about 15 degrees above average with a steady rain for much of us throughout the day. Driest in Cape May County, where you will see hit or miss showers for the afternoon. But everywhere else, I would say it is a washout here. Notice those strong winds. Southeast and southwest, 16 to 24 miles an hour sustained. So it's going to be a breezy day out there. It's a windswept rain. If you're heading out on the water, I would recommend not to. Small craft advisory in effect. South winds 20 to 30 knots here. Gales are possible. Here's your high and low tide times for the Atlantic Ocean waters as well as the bays that are near the Atlantic Ocean. For tonight, still going to see some showers at 7 p.m. Remaining breezy as well. Winds will be from the southwest during this time. Winds do remain southwesterly as we go throughout the night. So it'll actually be a mild night here. Low temperatures should only be in the mid-40s as we get towards 7 a.m. here. Even along the shore should be in the mid-40s here. We don't clear out until about 5 a.m. And then for Saturday, it's a mild December day. Temperatures about 10 degrees above average. As we do have winds slowly turn to the northwest, it will be breezy, and we should actually be fully sunny by the time we get towards the afternoon on Saturday. Mainland 7-day forecast shows on Sunday we go back to our seasonable temperatures. Morning sunshine, afternoon clouds look to be the case here. Then we go into New Year's Eve. Morning looks dry, but we are going to see rain from about the midday on New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day morning. However, there is going to be a break as a warm front lifts north. Still looking likely that is going to happen around midnight here, just in time to ring in 2019. And what will our first couple of days bring? We will get down to cooler temperatures here. We'll be back with you later today talking all about the weekend and going into New Year's Eve. And meanwhile, for the latest in South Jersey weather, we're talking about the flood watch on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, as well as our website, thepressofac.com/weather.